अभी बज रहे हैं 4:30 और अभी हम निकल रहे हैं एयरपोर्ट के लिए फ्रॉम सिडनी टू पर्थ. एंड अभी निकल चुके हैं एयरपोर्ट के लिए. इट्स शोइंग सम अराउंड लाइक 25 minutes. एंड व्हाट अ सेक्सी कैब. कैब इज गुड. देखते हैं अभी कैसी होती है ये जर्नी. मुझे इतनी नींद आ रही है कि क्या बताऊँ. ऐसा लग रहा है कि आई एम गोना क्रैश. जल्दी जल्दी बोर्डिंग हो जाना चाहिए और तुरंत ही फ्लाइट में बैठ के विंडो सीट है तो सो जाऊँगा मैं. 5 घंटे की नींद तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. बिकॉज दोपहर में जो मैंने लंच किया उसके बाद मैं अभी तक सोया ही नहीं. एंड इट वॉज सो हैवी. आई फेल्ट लाइक आई शुड स्लीप फॉर एटलीस्ट 1 hour. पर हुआ नहीं है वो. सो होपफुली जैसी फ्लाइट में बैठेंगे जल्दी ही सो जाएंगे. मैं बैठ चुका हूँ फ्लाइट में और ये देखो मेरे साथ बहुत डेंजरस स्कैम हुआ. आज तक किसके साथ भी हुआ. विंडो सीट्स में भी चेक आउट. यहाँ पे भी विंडो है. फिर विंडो है. बहुत डेंजरस है. हाईवे समझ मैंने बहुत अच्छे से चूज किया था बट बहुत पहली बार. Good morning everybody and we have reached Perth and it's 9 AM in the morning and अभी हम जाएंगे होटल रूम और होटल रूम जाके कुछ कॉफ़ी वॉफ़ी पी लेंगे. and I slept a bit in the flight so होटल रूम जाते ही सो जाएंगे and that is my next goal कि जितना नींद मिल सकता है maybe like let's say 5-10 hours I'll try to sleep. Okay, see you in a while. So अभी हम आ चुके हैं ब्रेकफास्ट करने. This is what I have ordered. Burger in the morning at 10 o'clock. Because there were a lot of options and I got confused, so I thought of going with the burger.
ये बर्गर इतना बड़ा है, पता नहीं कैसे खाना है अभी यार. It's gonna be very difficult to have this one.
Yeah. So I'm taking the first bite. It's really juicy. And so big. अंदर बोर हो रहा था इसलिए बाहर आके बैठे हैं अभी. और अभी कॉफ़ी ऑर्डर किया है. कॉफ़ी आएगी, कॉफ़ी पियेंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट आई गो टू द रूम और डायरेक्टली सो जाएंगे. रूम्स अवेलेबल ही नहीं है उनके पास और चेक इन के लिए और टाइम है. इट्स टेकिंग ऑलमोस्ट एन आवर नाउ. सो yeah, I'm in a very bad mood or you can say बुरी हालत में हूँ मैं अभी. What we thought is we will get a room. If it's available, we'll ask for a room. And वो हुआ नहीं ऐसा. They don't have any rooms available. And they are saying कि somewhere around like 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock someone is going to check out and after that they'll do the cleaning and everything. And after that they'll hand it over to me. तब तक कॉफ़ी पियेंगे एंड आई एम वेटिंग. फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड जल्दी सारी चीज़ें हो जाए. Yo, what's up everybody and good morning to you all from Perth and we have checked into our hotel room and this place is going to be our home for the next 6 days. So until Monday, until next Monday I'm going to be staying here. So I guess like somewhere like Sunday I'll be checking out and let me show you how this room looks like. It's a bit smaller than the one in Sydney, but it's good. So like this is the wardrobe we have over here, and this was my look, all black. अच्छा है, ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, अब डर नहीं लगेगा. And let's see the look from this room. Wow, it's good. So for the next 6 days we are staying here. और अभी जो डोम कैफ़े हम गए थे जहाँ पे मैंने बर्गर खाया, यार मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ, द जूसीएस्ट बर्गर आई एवर हैड. मतलब वो बर्गर लाइक मैंने बस ऐसे ही ऑर्डर कर दिया. आई वॉज कन्फ्यूज विद द होल मेन्यू, बट व्हेन आई हैड इट लाइक इट वॉज लाइक सो गुड. ऐसा यम्मी बर्गर था, मज़ा आ गया. मतलब इट वॉज गुड. और फिर उसके बाद आई लाइक अगेन से माई फ्रेंड ऑर्डर्ड फॉर लाइक कोल्ड कॉफ़ी and I'm having it. So until I was like getting the room, I said ki like I'll have coffee, but I was thinking of having a hot coffee. But instead the like can say person over there who was taking the order suggested for a cold coffee. So we took this, and it's really good. Like very good cafe. So for the next 5-6 days, like trust me, I'll be going there for this cold coffee and burger. And yeah, I am even going to explore the Yochi in Perth. Alright everybody, welcome back to Stories of the Deck. अभी पर्थ में बज रहे हैं रात के 9 और मैं कुछ ही देर पहले उठा हूँ. एंड आई गॉट फ्रेशन अप, रेडी हो चुका हूँ मैं, और मुझे लग रही है बहुत ज़्यादा भूख. और देखते हैं आसपास क्या कौन सी जगह है जहाँ पे हम लोग कुछ अच्छा खाना खा सकते हैं. एंड सम यू कैन से लेट्स ट्राई समथिंग डिफरेंट. I'll just try to explore places around Perth. But मैंने जितना देखा अभी ऑनलाइन, Perth is like already slowing down. सारे places बंद हो रहे हैं. So hopefully कुछ मिल जाना चाहिए. I don't want to go to a night club or let's say a lounge bar. मैं ये देख रहा हूँ कि dining places क्या क्या है आसपास. And let's see if we find some good places. Stick around to see that. देखो अभी निकले थे and I saw a Mahindra XUV 700 here. What? Crazy on the streets of Perth. Nine o'clock और देखो कितनी शांति है यहाँ पे. 9 बज रहे हैं. हम आ चुके हैं एक इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में, पार्टी. लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज. विराट, टेल मी व्हाट इज हैलोवीन.
Halloween is dressing up in a costume resembling a fictional character, particularly horror characters. And
Okay.
you go to people's houses, knock on their door, and then ask for candy.
Ask for candies.
Oh no, ask trick or treat.
Yeah, you go saying trick or treat for candy.
Trick or treat. Oh.
Yeah,
The end goal is to get
candy.
say that.
So
End goal is candy.
okay, so the end goal is to get candies.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sometimes people give out other stuff though.
Oh.
Like what?
I usually get candies, but Sometimes people give out chip packets and stuff.
And what did he get for me? Virat got this for me. What is there in this?
Nut bars, biscuit packets, and I don't remember.
Tiny daddies.
Yeah, that's a biscuit packet.
You can say tiny daddies. It's fine. Little daddies.
Yeah. So
Don't
Virat
become
got me
frozen. Nicely
a
done.
lot of
Okay.
stuff. And thank you so much, Virat. So many. Whoa. Thank you so much.
Most welcome.
You're welcome. I don't
So
What?
here's samosa chaat in Perth. It doesn't look like samosa. But yeah, looks crazy. अभी मैंने बस समोसा चाट ट्राई किया and trust me, it's better than India. यहाँ पे का जो समोसा है वो इंडिया से भी अच्छा है. I don't know how they have cooked it, but it's so yum. But trust me, ये बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे और इंडिया से भी अच्छा लगा. हमारी बिरयानी आ चुकी है.
Hope you like it.
Yeah, let's try biryani. I guess it's their signature to put a chili on the top. It's a chili, right? Or a bell pepper? It's a bell
It's a
pepper?
chili.
Yeah. Let's try this. For rose kulfi. You like rose?
Yeah.
I ordered for fig, right? This
Oh, she
fig?
got mango.
Yeah, it's mango, I guess.
Excuse me.
I guess confusion हो गया. This is not
Which
fig.
one is this?
It's fake.
Fig. I thought it's mango.
Yeah, it looks like mango.
Should I get the menu, please?
Okay, sure. So I was just checking. Do you know any student union people who can promote?
Looks
the
yummy.
event?
It's very hard right now. He was right. Can't break it. Kulfi is unbreakable. Uh-huh. Let me break it. Too difficult, yeah? Maybe let it settle. What a crazy art they have done. See, it looks like kangaroos are drinking water. Maybe. Yeah, but like it looks like.
He's saying it looks like vomiting.
No. An astronaut. Just back from the restaurant, and the Indian food at Balti was really good. Very, very, very good. And वहाँ पे मैंने बहुत सारे photos भी देखे. Like lot of Indian celebrities have been there. Sachin Tendulkar was there, and lot of other actors and actresses were there. So the experience over there was really good. ऐसा लगा नहीं कि like you can say like I am somewhere outside, or let's say I'm in Perth right now and I'm trying to just have Indian food. ऐसा था नहीं. बहुत like you can say अच्छी तरह से बनाया हुआ food था. The spices and everything was on point. So मज़ा आ गया. एंड आज दिलजीत दोसांझ का कॉन्सर्ट था इन पर्थ, और मुझे तो अभी पता चला व्हेन आई विजिटेड दैट रेस्टोरेंट. दे वर लाइक आई कैन से अबाउट टू, वी आस्क्ड देम लाइक द टाइमिंग्स वर अंटिल 10:30 PM. So we asked them like, is it open? So they are like, yeah, we are open until late. And over there I got to know कि आज दिलजीत दोसांझ का concert है and it's going to shut somewhere around like 10:30, 11. And after that all the people from like the Diljit Dosanjh concert came to the restaurant and it was all packed. So the moment we visited it was like empty, and by the time we were like leaving it was full packed. So yeah, I loved seeing a lot of Indian people out here. And acha day tha. This was day 1 in Perth. 90% of the time I was sleeping, but yeah, like a good day, because like I was tired and I needed sleep, so that was necessary.
I didn't check it out there. So let's check. Free. I don't know what is this. Tiny Teddy Choco Chip. So he got me a lot of Tiny Teddy Choco Chip. And I don't know what is this. LCMs. Kellogg's LCM. Berry and nut bar. So a lot of Kellogg stuff. So sweet of it.